right? So you're running man, and then you're already set up to go into the T-step because you're in your perch position, right? So boom, boom, perch position, and then you would just drop your foot and do a T-step with this leg. So you'd be like boom, 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 boom. Running man, running man, running man. And just as if you were about to go into another running man, but you're not, you're going to drop it and go into a T-step. Okay? Running man, drop into a T-step. Okay? Running man. And just if I was about to go into another running man, my foot's already here, but I'm not, I'm gonna T-step. Running man, perch position, drop into a T-step. Back into the running man. Up running. You see how my leg is already up, ready to do a move? You know, this is called perch or UTP, which is universal transition point. And you know, it's called right before you're about to go into like another move. Chances are you're already right here. So running man, UTP, T-step, UTP, running man. See, you're always in UTP. That sets you up. It's something I wish I would have learned earlier in my journey because that really like tied things together as for, you know, putting moves together and whatnot. Running man, reverse T-step, kick it, jump, you know, just have to experiment. If you haven't already, just, you know, get used to T-stepping on one foot because heel toe. So running man, T-step,